Meaning of hypoxaemia.
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 Hypoxaemia. Hypoxaemia refers to a condition where the level of oxygen in the blood is lower than normal. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including respiratory disorders, heart disease, blood vessel abnormalities, or low oxygen levels in the environment. The symptoms of hypoxaemia may include shortness of breath, rapid breathing, confusion, and fatigue. Severe cases of hypoxaemia can lead to organ damage and even death. Treatment may involve providing supplemental oxygen, addressing the underlying cause of the condition, or in some cases, mechanical ventilation.